Yeah. Who the fuck? Nigga, it's gonna be a windy day. Yeah. Hey. Hey. What? It's gonna be a windy day.
Astro in the cut.
Gang. It's gonna be a windy day. Yeah. It's gonna be a windy day. Yeah. It's gonna be a windy day. Shawty, I ain't come to play. Hold on. Yeah, it's gonna be a windy day. Hold on. Sorry, I ain't come to play. Hold on, I'm speaking facts, man, that's every day. Mixing up the Kool-Aid, so tell me how it tastes. Don't know the motherfucking flavor, fuck up on my face. Girl looking bad, my nigga, but she underage. I forgot my nigga hit his nuts like he Johnny Cage. So let me tell you about a motherfucking windy day. Man, this windy day almost had me blown away. Swear to God, niggas, I was gone like I had a cape. Yeah, the shirt I got today, nigga got an ape. That's not an ape, nigga, it's fucking bait. Yeah, it's gonna be a windy day. Yeah, it's gonna be a windy day. Yeah, it's gonna be a windy day. Hold on, nigga, yeah, I had a windy day. Yeah, windy day. Windy day. Yeah, windy day. Yeah, motherfucking windy day. Yeah, hold on, I had a windy day. I'm like zero making hoes, nigga, every day. Trying to get a whole lot of zeros anyway. Hold on, niggas gay, not that way. Nigga, I'm talking about any other ways. Yeah, it's gonna be a windy day. Yeah, it's gonna be a windy day. Hey, it's gonna be a windy day, nigga, anyway. Swear to God, shawty, so bad, I wanna taste. Swear to God, shawty, melt on my face. Only do that if you're not, underage. Okay, let me bring this out, yeah, I got a crush. I don't think she like me that much, so I'm not in a rush. But if she liking all that nigga shit, I might as well fuck. Okay.